Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we re-diving into a topic that so many of you have asked about: how to get a perfect salon-quality Brazilian wax right from the comfort and privacy of your own home. Yes, it's totally possible. Say goodbye to scheduling appointments, salon prices, and that awkward small talk. I'm going to walk you through my entire routine, step by step, from prepping your skin to the final, super smooth reveal. We'll cover all the secrets to making it as painless as possible and ensuring you get flawless, long-lasting results. So, if you're ready to become your own waxing pro and unlock that silky smooth confidence, keep on watching. First things first. Let's talk about setup. Creating a calm, clean, and organized space is key to a successful and stress-free waxing session. I like to lay down a large, clean towel on my bathroom floor. This makes cleanup a breeze and gives you a comfortable spot to work. Next, gather all your supplies. You'll need your wax warmer. Your hard wax beads. I prefer hard wax for a Brazilian, because it's gentler on sensitive skin. Your pre-wax cleanser, some application sticks, and a post-wax oil or lotion. Having everything within arm's reach is a non-negotiable. You don't want to be scrambling for a stick mid-pull. I'll be using my favorite at-home waxing kit today, and I'll have everything I use linked in the description box below. Now, let's get this wax melting. While the wax is heating up to that perfect honey-like consistency, let's focus on the most important step: skin prep. You can't build a beautiful house on a shaky foundation, and you can't get a perfect wax without prepping your skin properly. The first rule is to make sure your hair is the right length. Ideally, it should be about 1/4 of an inch long, or the length of a grain of rice. If it's too short, the wax won't have enough to grab onto. If it's too long, it can be more painful and messy, so you might want to trim it down a bit first. About 2 days before you plan to wax, gently exfoliate the area. This helps to remove dead skin cells and prevent ingrown hairs. On the day of, make sure the area is completely clean and dry. I use a pre-wax cleanser to remove any oils or lotions, which ensures the wax adheres only to the hair and not to your skin. Alright, our wax is at the perfect temperature. You want it to be thick enough to stay on the applicator stick without dripping everywhere, but warm enough to spread easily. Always, and I mean always, test the temperature on the inside of your wrist first to make sure it's not too hot. Now for the application. The trick is to work in small, manageable sections, about 2 inches wide and 3 inches long. Take your applicator stick, get a good amount of wax on it, and apply it in the direction of your hair growth. You want to apply it with firm pressure to make sure it's gripping every hair. Leave a slightly thicker lip or tab at the end of the strip that you used to pull from. This little detail makes removal so much easier. Let the wax set for about 30 to 60 seconds. It should be firm to the touch but still pliable, not brittle. This is the moment of truth. The removal. Take a deep breath. Hold your skin taut with one hand. This is the secret to minimizing pain. With your other hand, grab that little lip you created, and in one quick, fluid motion, pull the strip off in the opposite direction of hair growth. Pull parallel to the skin, not straight up away from it. It's like ripping off a band-aid. Confidence is key. The quicker you do it, the less it will sting. And voila! You'll see all the hair removed right from the root. Immediately after you pull, place your hand firmly on the area for a few seconds. This pressure helps to soothe the skin and calm any immediate sting. Now, you just repeat this process, working in small sections, until you're completely smooth. Don't go over the same area more than twice in one session to avoid irritation. We're almost done. Once you've waxed all the desired areas, it's time for the final, crucial step: aftercare. Your skin will be a little sensitive, so you need to treat it with kindness. First, check for any stray hairs. You can tweeze them, but I prefer to use a small wax strip for a quick cleanup if there's a tiny patch I missed. Next, apply a post-wax oil. This is designed to soothe the skin, reduce redness, and remove any sticky wax residue left behind. Look for ingredients like chamomile, lavender, or tea tree oil, which have calming and antibacterial properties. For the next 24 to 48 hours, it's important to avoid hot baths, saunas, tight clothing, and heavy exercise. This gives your skin time to recover and prevents irritation or clogged pores. Keep the area clean and moisturized, and in a few days, you can resume gentle exfoliation to keep those pesky, ingrown hairs at bay. And there you have it. A flawless, salon-perfect Brazilian wax without ever leaving your house. Look at that smooth result. It honestly feels so empowering to be able to do this for yourself. Not only do you save a ton of money in the long run, but you also get to do it on your own schedule, in your own space. It might feel a little intimidating the first time, but I promise, with a little practice, you will get the hang of it and become a total pro. The key is patience, good preparation, and using the right techniques we talked about today. Remember, hold the skin taut, pull quickly and parallel, and always practice good aftercare. You've got this. Thank you so much for joining me today for this at-home waxing journey. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you feel more confident about trying this yourself. If you have any questions at all, please drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and will do my best to answer them. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more beauty tutorials and tips, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. It really helps support my channel and allows me to keep creating content for you all. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!